Salamat Sejahtera. Let's learn how to use Gemini in Google Sheet. What can Gemini do in Google Sheet? Create tables, fill in data, generate formula, AI function. Let's see how Gemini help in creating table by planning a trip to Fairy Cave Kuching Sarawak. Enter a prompt here. Write your prompt. Generate a table for a trip plan to Fairy Cave Kuching Sarawak. Next, let's see how Gemini help in fill in data in table. Enter a prompt say, help me fill in data for column booking required is greater than RM20. And you can see Gemini help you check the box with a tick. Then we see how Gemini help you generate a formula. By enter a prompt say, generate a formula for total cost of rental car. And Gemini help you calculate the total cost of rental car as total RM255. Gemini also offer an AI function. Let's ask Gemini what is the AI function in Google Sheet. This feature aims to automate tasks, analyze data and generate insights using natural language prompt, making data analysis more accessible. AI function including generating text, summarizing information, categorizing information, analyzing data, and accessing real-time information. Now, let's try summarize the notes for Table 1. This spreadsheet outlines a 2-day itinerary with various activities, locations and estimated cost. It includes daily schedule, activity and location, logistics and notes, cost and booking information. Thank you for your attention and stay tuned for a trip to Fairy Cave Kuching Sarawak.
Good morning all my students. Today we are going to learn Gemini AI in Google Sheets and Google Drive.
Use the Gemini in Drive side panel to summarize multiple documents, generate insights on a specific topic, help you find files, and more. Learn how to collaborate with Gemini in Drive. Use Gemini in Drive to summarize and analyze your PDFs. Learn how to use Gemini in Drive with PDFs.
Focus, I can't even control it. You know you live a golden